10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order of conviction, the accused appellants have preferred the present appeal. Stop. Learned counsel for the appellant submitted that the state of Uttar Pradesh has its own local law of probation, that is Uttar Pradesh First Offenders Probation Act, 1938. Stop. He further submitted that the Probation of Offenders Act, 1958 in bracket Central Act bracket close is also applicable in the state of Uttar Pradesh as held by Honorable the Supreme Court in the case of Mohammad Hasim versus State of UP semicolon in bracket 2017 bracket close 2 SCC 198. Stop. Thus, learned counsel for the appellant submitted that it is upon the discretion of the court to grant benefits in either of the acts. Stop. Learned counsel for the appellant further submitted that he does not want to press the appeal on merit. Stop. He has submitted that the incident took place 23 years ago and there is no further criminal antecedent against the appellant. Stop. The delay in trial deprives the right of the appellants of speedy trial and he may be given benefit of first offender and appellants may be extended the benefit of Probation of Offender Act, 1958, in bracket herein after referred as the Act of 1958, bracket close. Stop. He further submitted that appellants are first-time offender and are not previously convicted in any case. Stop. He further submitted that it is the court which may consider the benefit of Section 4 of the Act of 1958 to the accused appellants. Stop. Learned AGA, on the other hand, opposed the appeal and has submitted that there is no material irregularity or illegality committed by the court below and keeping in view the evidence on record, accused appellants have been rightly convicted. Stop. Learned AGA further state that the benefit of Section 4 of the Act of 1958 could be extended to the accused appellants on certain stipulation as specified in Section 4 of the Act of 1958. Stop. After considering the argument advanced by the parties and after perusal of the material available on record, this court finds the except apart the merit of the case, so far as the prayer of learned counsel for the appellant for providing benefit of Section 4 of the Act of 1958 is concerned, it is essential to discuss the legal position and law propounded by the apex court. Stop. Power of court to release certain offenders after admonition. Stop. Where any person is found guilty of having committed an offence for punishable under Section 379 or Section 380 or Section 381 or Section 404 or Section 420 of the Indian Penal Code, in bracket 45 of 1860, bracket close, or any offence punishable with the imprisonment for not more than 2 years, or with fine, or with both, under the Indian Penal Code, or any other law, and no previous conviction is proved against him and the court by which the person is found guilty is of opinion that, having regard to the circumstances of the case, including the nature of the offence, and the character of the offender, it is expedient so to do, then, notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force. Stop. Over.
तो दोस्तों ये थी डिक्टेशन 120 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड से, जो कि डिफरेंट वॉइस में थी। इसे आप लीजिए और कमेंट करके बताइए कि डिक्टेशन आपको कैसी लगी। ये डिक्टेशन इसलिए अपलोड की जा रही हैं ताकि आपको थोड़ा डिफरेंट वॉइस में मिले, आपको एक्सपीरियंस इसका थोड़ा बेटर हो। ओके, तो इस डिक्टेशन को जो भी लेटेस्ट अब यूट्यूब में अपलोड होंगी चैनल पे, उन्हें आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए लिंक में जाकर सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं वेबसाइट को, और उसमें जाके इसे आप ट्रांसक्राइब करके ऑटो चेक करके अपनी मिस्टेक्स को काउंट कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं, एनालाइज कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट डिक्टेशन में, और इसे करके हमें कमेंट करके बताइएगा कि आपको ये कैसा लगा। जो भी लेटेस्ट अपलोड होंगी अब डिक्टेशंस, उनको आप वेबसाइट पे जाके ट्रांसक्राइब कर सकते हो। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।